Good morning, and welcome. Today, we are diving deep into a universally frustrating mobile issue: unexpected battery drain. We'll be decoding where your power truly goes, identifying those secret background processes, and exploring proven strategies for optimizing your device's performance. The core problem. To start, let's frame the core problem. We all know using our device drains the battery, but why does the power vanish so quickly even when the phone is sitting idle in your pocket? The answer lies beyond simple screen time. The mystery of missing charge. We can categorize battery usage into two types: the visible and the hidden. The visible drain is what we see: the display, active video playback, or gaming. But the real problem is the hidden culprits. These are wakelocks, background services that aggressively force the CPU and radio hardware to wake up constantly, preventing your device from ever entering that crucial, low-power deep sleep mode. Battery usage breakdown. Looking at a typical unoptimized device, the visible drain from the screen is only about 25%. Notice the bulk of the consumption is taken up by the Android system and background apps. This 65% is where those hidden wakelocks and non-essential tasks are quietly consuming your charge while you are not even using the phone. The constant network ping. One of the most aggressive power consumers is inefficient network polling. Social media and messaging apps constantly initiate radio wake-ups to check for new data, even when none is available. This perpetual cycle of waking the radio, checking, and sleeping is highly inefficient and results in rapid drain. The immediate solution is to restrict background data for any app that doesn't need instant notifications. Location and connectivity. Other connectivity features pose risks. GPS is inherently energy intensive. Always audit permissions and switch to while using app instead of always allow. Additionally, turn off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi scanners within your location settings, as their constant searching for peripherals adds up to a quite low-level drain. Finally, ensure the system's DOS mode is active, allowing the OS to intelligently restrict background activity for apps you rarely use. OLED and dark mode. For devices featuring OLED or AMOLED screens, dark mode is a powerful optimization tool. Unlike traditional displays, OLED pixels illuminate individually. When displaying true black, the pixel is off, consuming zero power. Utilizing a system-wide dark theme can factually reduce display power consumption by 10% or more. System calibration. Occasionally, you'll see the Android system report abnormally high usage, often exceeding 35%. This is frequently a reporting error or a process stuck in a continuous, high consumption loop. The simplest and most effective fix: a device reboot. It forces a fresh calculation of battery statistics and terminates any runaway processes, instantly resolving sudden drain spikes. Quote: as we move into the hardware discussion, it is important to remember this reality: no software fix can overcome material degradation. Physics eventually wins. All software optimizations can only delay the inevitable decline of the battery hardware itself. The hardware factor. The foundation of our battery is the lithium-ion chemistry, and its capacity degrades over charge cycles. The formula shown illustrates how capacity decreases exponentially with time. In practice, after about 500 full charge cycles, the effective capacity of your battery drops significantly, meaning shorter battery life is ultimately a function of age and usage. Optimization checklist. To summarize, Here is your actionable optimization checklist. 1. Audit your battery usage regularly for abnormal Android system spikes. 2. Restrict GPS access. 3. Embrace dark mode on OLED screens. And 4. Perform a weekly reboot to clear any lingering stuck processes and ensure accurate battery statistics. Q&A. Thank you for joining this presentation on decoding battery drain. I hope these insights help you achieve better performance and longevity from your mobile device. I'm happy to take any questions you might have.